First rates, and do we have a new high on the Nifty? No, not yet. 64 points higher, but when I say not yet does not mean that it's end of the road for the rest of the day. Let's see. I mean, I'm sure we'll gain weight going forward. It's a flat start, and the bias for the market clearly is not something which everybody is excited about. I guess what is important here is that if one really looks at the breadth I think is phenomenal, which I think has been the talking point and which I think will be the talking point for a long time going forward. Now let's look at the heavyweights, HDFC Bank, Reliance, Kotak Mahindra Bank, because for markets to muster some strength, this end of the market has to fire full cylinders, which it has not. So are we in for some disappointment, or it's going to be like a flat start and then a pickup? I would say a flat start and then a pickup. That would look like a logical thing. But the small and the mid-cap stocks, they continue to do that bit. We are now 12 points away from an all-time high on the Nifty, which just could be like a touch and go moment. But what is important here is that ADA and Tata Tech IPOs, where are they? Not the IPOs now, I mean they are listed now. ADA is at 67.5 and Tata Tech, I'm going to hold my breath here. Okay, not spike, but 1300 rupees. That's incredible, isn't it, Asha?
Yeah, absolutely. So still holding up after that triple-digit run that it had in trade yesterday on its listing day itself. Let's see what Kesoram is up to. Ultratech share swap is favoring Kesoram Industries by a good 24% margin, 5% higher for Kesoram as we speak right now. The Sonata Software as well, a bonus equity share announcement, ratio 1:1. There's Protean as well. We're going to be chatting with the management shortly as well. The revenues have shown an uptick of about 7% on a sequential basis. Protean EGA 3% higher for that stock as we speak. And then, of course, the defense stocks. Just last evening, the DSE has now approved projects worth over 2 lakh crore rupees once again. So, for all the naysayers who did sort of question that the valuations are looking extremely rich, at least the news flow continues positive for the entire defense pack. And these stocks as well, frankly, have not really seen much of a step back from the rally that they had up until last 2 months or so. Whirlpool is looking to sell about a 24% stake. They're looking to pare some debt. So look out for that. After the dizzying run-up that you've had in New India Assurance, JP Morgan is now maintaining an underweight and saying that they would not chase the rally in the stock at this current level. That stock peters down, but only by about 1% or so. And then Bajaj Auto, wherein CLSA is saying that Bajaj Auto is becoming aggressive in the electric two-wheeler segment, which is something that they're not liking. 0.5% lower for Bajaj Auto as we speak right now. So we've made it to that 2010 mark now, another 11 points, 10 points now, and we should make it to the all-time high.
It's just a matter of time.